Hi, 8th graders. So we are going into week 2 of virtual learning. I miss you guys still so much. So I want to clear up a couple things, questions that I got asked. I did have frequently asked questions, sent you out an email, but we'll talk about it again. Okay, you do not have to turn in a work page. So basically you do the big ideas and that is it. You do not have to turn in your work, nothing. I mean, I would recommend showing work. It will help you, but you do not have to turn that in to me. Next, okay, I got asked a lot of times about Zoom meetings. We will have Zoom meetings Tuesday and Thursday again from 1:30 to 2. This is basically for you to ask questions. I'm just question and answering, go back and forth and try to solve all the issues you are having. Another thing is on my class schedule right above it, here is the Zoom weekly meeting link. So if you just come to my class schedule and you click on this link, it should pop up Zoom, and then you would type in the password Falcon Math. Okay? So for week 2, we will be doing 9.1. So I recommend watching the video and then doing the 9.1 big ideas. And then after that, you are to do box, whiskers, stem, and leaf. Right here, watch that video and then go ahead and do the activity. This one is actually on Canvas, so you will turn in, you'll do it on Notability and then you'll turn it in kind of like what you do in other classes. And then that is all I require for this coming week. Make sure you can always email me. You can comment on discussion boards, and always the Zoom meetings are Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, you guys are doing great. Keep up the good work. I'm super proud of every single one of you, how much you are working. So have a good rest of your week. Let me know if I can help.